Hey guys, welcome back. Today, as you saw, I took the radio out of my Mustang, so I'm going to be making a radio delete cover for it. I went ahead and made a stencil here with some cardboard and an X-Acto knife here. Went ahead and traced it out on my phone screen underneath the paper so that I was able to get the outlines really good. And this is one, since my car had two radios, one of them's going to be Ford, the other one's going to be the Mustang logo. I've got a piece of metal here, and it's about 1 foot by 1 foot, but it's a little bit thicker than roofing would be, tin roof. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to paint this black, and then I'm going to use my stencil and I'm going to spray paint yellow on top of it because I have a yellow car. And after that I'm going to do a silicone bead around the back side of it and just put it in there, and that should cover both radios and should give me a good look as far as it goes for the price, because a radio could cost about $50 to $100 or $200 for a good radio, and I am kind of strapped for cash right now, so this is going to be a good time replacement as far as the money goes. So this I'll show you how it comes out. Alright, and from here we got these both installed and they don't look too bad. So now I just got to let these dry here a little bit, and I'm going to go back and do some finishing touches on a couple spots on these just to make them look a little better. But as of now, this came out fairly good, and that looks a lot better than just having a big hole in your dash. So still got my heat, AC, all that good stuff. I just don't have any radios anymore. And next, I think I'm going to possibly take out the speakers in the back trunk, because no radio, don't need speakers. So, anyways, thanks for watching.